Okay, you guys, now we're going to unbox the FaceOff Steelbook, one I've been waiting on for a very long time. So yeah, this one was distributed by Paramount, but Warner Bros. Brought the Paramount title. So of course, Warner Bros. Brought out the Steelbook. Another gift sent to me by Film Angel 11 for our contest. Thanks again for sending this out. And as you can see, the commentaries are by director John Woo, writers Mark Werb and Michael Callery. 7 deleted scenes, including an alternate ending with optional commentary, The Light and the Dark, Making a Face-Off, John Woo, A Life and Pictures, original theatrical trailer. As you can see, it's made by Paramount and Warner Brothers. It's rated R. It is 2 hours and 20 minutes long. So let's open it. There we go. As you can see, that just comes off with the name at the top. Here's the back of the Steelbook. And the front, spine. No inside artwork, but just that disc. Very nice. So yeah, that was my quick unboxing of the FaceOff Steelbook. Let me know what you guys think about this, and I'll catch y'all later.